We are going to share our own experience of using both of these tools, which one is better. So let's see.
I've been using both AdMob and Unity Ads for about 6 months now for mobile app monetization. And while both are popular choices, they actually perform quite differently depending on your app type and audience. Let's start with AdMob. This is Google's ad network, and from my experience, its biggest strength is stability and fill rate. It's very easy to integrate, and it works well across almost all types of apps. You also get access to a huge advertiser base, which helps keep revenue consistent. Another advantage is smart mediation. You can plug in multiple networks and let AdMob optimize delivery. But the downside is that earnings can sometimes be average unless you have strong Tier 1 traffic. In some cases, eCPMs are lower compared to more gaming-focused networks, and you don't always get the highest bids for every impression. Now, Unity Ads is much more focused on gaming apps. From my experience, it performs especially well with rewarded video ads, where users choose to watch ads in exchange for in-app rewards. That format usually leads to higher engagement and better eCPMs, especially in mobile games. But the downside is that it's more niche. If your app isn't gaming-related, performance can drop significantly. Also, fill rates outside gaming audiences can be inconsistent, and you often rely heavily on rewarded video to maximize revenue. Another thing to pay attention to is your app category. AdMob works well for almost everything: utility apps, content apps, and games, while Unity Ads is much more optimized for gaming monetization and user engagement loops. So which one is better? If you want stable, broad monetization across different app types, AdMob is the stronger choice. If you're running a mobile game and want higher engagement with rewarded ads, Unity Ads can outperform it. Personally, I use AdMob as my main monetization network and add Unity Ads on top when I want to boost revenue from rewarded video in gaming apps.